Welcome to DAV Memorial Public School, Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear students, I'm your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sayed. Today in Standard 2nd, we will see odds and evens. Odds and evens are numbers. Let's see what actually they are. Even numbers. Even numbers, they are the numbers that can be divided into two equal groups. Okay, means which we can separate equally. They are even numbers, or numbers which comes in a table of 2 are even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, means number that can be divided into two equal groups, they are even numbers or which comes in a table of 2. Now odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divided into two equal groups. In even number we can divide, and in odd numbers we cannot divide into two equal groups. Okay, and these are the numbers which does not come in table of 2. Example 1, 4, 3, 5, 7, 9. Understood, dear students? Let's see, is it even, odd and doubles? Okay. Now 1, this is odd. Is it double? No. So odd? No. 2. It is even number, and doubles means it is equally divided? Yes. So yes. 3. 3 is even or odd? That is odd. Doubles, do you find the equal numbers? No. So no. 4. Is it even or odd? It is even. Doubles, is it in pair? Yes. Okay. Now 5. Is it even or odd? It is odd. Can you find pairs of all 5 balls? No. So no. 6. Is it even or odd? It is even. Do you find all the pair? Yes. Is it all paired? Okay. Same way 7, 8, 9, 10. In this, even numbers they are paired and odd numbers they are not paired. Understood, dear students? Let's move to another example. All numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. This you have to remember. And the numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers. Means what we will do? We will see just the end number, means the last number. If the last number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then they are even. Otherwise, they are odd. Fine. Let's see. Separate the numbers in odd or even. These are the numbers. 32. 32, 2. And end number is 2. So, is it even or odd? It is even. So, it will come in even form. Okay. 543. Last digit is 3. Okay. 3. Does 3 comes in table of 2? No. So, that is odd. Next number 634. 4. 4 comes in table of 2. So, even. 658. 8 comes in table of 2. So, even. 729. Last digit is 9, but 9 doesn't come in table of 2. So, odd. 400. Last digit is 0. So, even. 505. Last digit is 5, but it doesn't come in table of 2. So, odd. 433, again odd. 106, 6 comes in table of 2, so even. 925, 5 doesn't come in table of 2, so odd. Same, 445, odd. 378, 8 comes in table of 2, so even. Understood, dear students? Let's move to a worksheet. Write the next even number. Here numbers are given. We have to write the next even number. For next even number, what we will do? We will escape the next number and we will count the number after that. 124. The next number is 125. We'll escape that. And then we'll move to 126. So next even number is 126. 246. 246. Then 247. We will not take 247. We will take 248. Means in all this case, what we have to do for finding the next even or odd, we have to escape the next number and we have to take the number after that. Okay. Now 448, 449, 450, 263. 263 will take in mind. Okay. 262 is here. 263 will keep in mind. After that, 264. 304. 305 in mind. Then 306. 538. 539. 540. 660. Then 661. 662. 298. 300. 268. Yes, 270. 890. 892. Understood, dear students? Isn't it easy? Okay. Let's move to our assignment. In assignment, you have to write the next odd number. Okay. Of all this, you have to make a table and you will write the next odd number. Same way as we have written of even number, you have to escape the next number and you have to write the number after that. Second assignment, write even or odd in the given space. Okay, numbers are given, you have to write even or odd. Your age, your date of birth, your family members, numbers you have to write in one block and that number is even or odd in the next one. Then your mother's mobile number, your dresses. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.